Renovation, where Dave's getting ready to go ahead and put some of this stuff back together and get some of this satin trim paint on here. Also, the rest of the day, I'll probably just go around and I gotta make sure that I gotta go back through here and cut all this fucking wall paint again. Put a second fucking roller coat of the fucking light gray in the kitchen and a second coat of fucking light gray in the bathroom. So that's what I'll be doing today, painting all day long. Then after we get done all the wall painting and shit, then I have to fucking go back and paint the trim. All the fucking rest of the door cases, the window frames, and shit like that. Also today I went and I picked up the quarter inch spacers. So this week I can go ahead on and maybe start putting the tile down in the bathroom. We can set the toilet and call that room finished. Do the trim work in there and be done with it. So that's where we are today, the beginning of day 26. View of the front yard of the house we're working in. And look at this shit. It's been raining most of the day like this. Isn't that? See all these big fucking drops coming down? That shit's running over the gutters because the gutters are all fucking clogged up. But because nothing here was taken care of, everything was neglected. But at days like this, I'm glad that I'm working inside a place like this. So far, Dave's in there painting the closets. I've done recut every fucking thing, re-rolled some of it. I painted this fucking room right here, this back room back here. And now I'm putting that second cut coat up around the ceilings and around the windows and everything. Found a leak today. So it's good when it rains like this to fucking look around and see if you see places where there's water leaking and shit. So what I found was this. It's leaking inside that fucking windowsill. And another place up here in the front, I could tell, because the floor's wet in the corner of the threshold coming in through the front entry door. That's fucking leaking. So, just fucking need to walk around and look at all the windows, all the doors and shit like that. And look in places and make sure that they ain't in fucking water leaking. Look at that. And it's probably been doing that for a while. So, that's a problem. That's a big problem. Wow. I need to go ahead on the unclog. See that gutter right there? All that shit's running over that damn gutter, hitting the fucking thing right there, and splashing inside there, and leaking back inside the fucking threshold. And it's hard to say whether it's rotted down there or what the fuck's going on. But that's all shit that I'm gonna have to fucking address when the time is appropriate and it stops raining. So right now I'm getting ready to come in here after I do that cutting. I'm just gonna use a fucking regular old 9-inch roller. And I'm gonna re-roll the fucking gray in this kitchen right here. And re-roll the fucking gray in the bathroom. That way I'll be ready to put some tile down this week. So that's where we're at so far today. And it is around 2:30. So that's where we're at so far. Let's see what else I can get done today. All right, now we're at the end of day 26. All the walls are finished. Everything's second coated. Get a little bit of these shelves and stuff worked on. They're getting painted. And sides of the closets are getting painted. It's just a flat white. So the leftover fucking ceiling paint, the Promar 200 flat that was used on the ceilings, was about 2.5 gallons, which is going to be enough to do the closets. That's going to give them a nice white inside the closet so everything can be seen. And then these fucking shelves right here, they're going to get painted with the white semi-gloss trim paint that's going on all the trim. All this room's all fucking second coated and everything. The bathroom has its second coat of being rolled. So that now the bathroom's ready for trim and tile and a toilet. So you can go ahead on now and start laying that fucking hardy board on the floor, getting ready to fucking put the tile down and everything, and then the tub's all ready for the tub and towel, and pretty much that closet right there is ready for the white shelves. I'm not gonna put the trim back on until the fucking tile's down. So that's the way that the bathroom is in that condition. And here in this room, more shelves and shit like that for the fucking closets. All the second coat on all the walls and everything is all fucking done in here. Everything's cut twice and rolled. Yep. Now, this room back here has been painted now. And it's been cut in twice. I'm gonna wait for all that shit to dry right there where there's a leak in the windowsill. I'm not gonna be able to fix that. If I were to go out there now and try to fucking seal it up, it's gonna trap water in the windowsill, and even though it might look good and last for a little while, that trap moisture in there is gonna cause the windowsill to be rotted out, and somewhere down the line, someone's going to pay to have it fixed. So it's better for me to wait a couple of weeks and let that shit dry, and then I'll go ahead on and seal that up and fix the wall. So that's gonna be on hold. All this, tomorrow I'm gonna come in here and start painting all the trim around the windows. So get all the trim painted. Get all that shit painted. That right there still needs to be painted. That pantry, that's got 2 coats of primer paint on it. So it's gonna get painted one more time or 2 times, depending on what it looks like, with some semi-gloss. Well, not semi-gloss, the customer chose satin. So that's gonna be painted with some satin paint. The fucking kitchen in here has been all rolled again. That's been rolled twice. Rolled this wall in here again. So today it was just a bunch of painting. And I'd like to go ahead and get that thing out of the damn ceiling and take the chimney down. But I can't do that until it's gonna not rain anymore, because I gotta go up there and fucking put a patch on the roof, fold some shingles into the old shingles, a piece of tar paper, a piece of fucking plywood and shit like that. Tomorrow I'm hoping I'll go ahead on and transfer all these tools into that fucking room back there, because I'm gonna take those blinds down right there so I can get down underneath of that fucking wall down there and paint and sand and paint that place where the baseboards were, and get that window topper fucking painted and every fucking thing, and put it back up nice like it's supposed to be. And right now it's just stacked up there with some nails, but when I take that down, I don't want people riding by and looking at my saws and wanting to break in here and steal my shit. So today, at the end of day 26, we're ready for cabinets. As soon as we get the cabinets and stuff in here, we can start putting the cabinets up. And then you can deal with the countertops, hook the plumbing and shit up like that. And then when all that's done, I'll put some glue on down. We'll go down to second street floors and pick a floor in that, and then I'll put the floors in. You still got to put the lighting up. So that's something else that we can do this week, because it's going to be raining. Let's fucking put the ceiling fan up in this back bedroom right here, and put the other one up that's in the box back there. Switch the chandelier out with that new one right there. Switch out that shit right there. Put the kitchen light up. All that shit's ready to be done, so you can go ahead on and start installing some lighting. So if you like this video, subscribe to GetGo TV. You got any questions about this renovation, just simply fucking leave a question in the comment section, or look in the description for the channel. There's an email link there at peninsulahummandproven@gmail.com. You can leave me an email and I'll answer your question and help you out with your project. So hit the little fucking bell and shit so that you know when I load a video up, so you can watch the next one. Keep in mind today is day 26, so there's 25 more days of home renovation videos that's before this one. So if you're just jumping into watching this renovation and you want to see the whole thing in its entire completion, go back to day 1 so you can see what it looked like and just follow it out. Also, there's 317 other videos on the channel of how to do shit and reviews and stuff. So there's something there for everybody. If you want to watch some of those videos, feel free. And just subscribe to the channel. And you have a good day. I'll see you tomorrow on day 27 of our house renovation.